Okay, let's look at this sensitivity analysis of the input. So our problem says the CEO expressed concern that some of the base inputs might be too optimistic or pessimistic. He wants to know how the NPV would be affected if we changed each variable 20%, one way or the other. And we also want to leave our base case. So you need to make a table like this with your you have your base case starting here at 0%, then minus 10%, minus 20%, and plus 10%, plus 20%. So our base case on our sales was 115,000. So don't bring the cell down, bring the actual number down, 115,000. That was our base case for unit sales. Okay, so now to get 10% less, all we would do is would say our base case, 115,000, times 1 plus, in this case, our deviation, negative 10%. So basically it's 90% of this. So it's 103,000. And then same thing with this one, be our base case times 1 plus 20%. And in this case it would be our base case times 1 plus 10%. So this is 10% more and this is 20% more. Okay, now we're going to do a sensitivity analysis. What you need to do is take your NPV from up here in your original spreadsheet. So in this case, in my spreadsheet, it's D73. So it's this NPV that I found right here where I use the formula. Just take that cell and bring it down. Okay, bring it down right here. Now you're going to do a what if analysis. You just take and highlight all these cells. Okay, go up here to data, click. Now go to what if analysis and data table. Okay, so now it's asking us a row input. Well, we don't have a row that we want to input. All we have is this column input right here. So what I'm telling it is I want to change the input to this 92,000, 103,000. So I want to change my sales units. So we go up here to our sales, our unit sales, and I want to change that number to whatever's in that column. And hit OK. And that will bring us back to the right answer. So now we have this tells us that the NPV at 92,000 is negative 40,000. Our NPV at 103,500 sales is negative 18. Can you see how a manager would really want to use this? This is a great tool. So we want to do a sensitivity analysis on each one. Unit sales, weighted average cost of capital, variable cost, sales price, fixed cost, and equipment cost. After you do that, then bring those variables down, those NPVs, just the NPVs, bring those down, make a table like this. All you need to do is bring them down, make a table like this, and then make a graph like this. And that will show you your your sensitivity to, we'll see the sensitivity to sales price, variable cost, unit sales, fixed cost, weighted average cost. There's some of them that are more sensitive than others. Okay? Some of them are more sensitive. Looks like weighted average cost. Capital is not that sensitive. Fixed cost is not that sensitive. Sales price, sensitive. Okay?